Okay, we're back with our next product review from Amazon, of course. Our next product is the portable mini rechargeable screwdriver. Comes with 50 bits. It's called Fantic. Got this on Amazon for, well, regular price is about 70 bucks. Got it cheaper with some discounts, things like that. But 4.6 stars, so had good ratings, good reviews, so I wanted to check it out. There's all your specs right there. Has 2 speeds, high and low. Easily chargeable via USB-C. Looks like it's distributed from Medici LLC in Pearland, Texas. So, enough about that. And in the box came your USB-C charging port, and your charging cord, I should say, and your user manual. And here's the housing it came in. So, really sleek design. I think it comes in gray, white, and black. Got the gray here, and it's very cool because everything is all inside here. So you press that down. This is just a sticker, and then it ejects the screwdriver. Very sleek looking design. There's your low, off, high, and your USB charging port on the end, forward and reverse. And what's really cool is it's got a light on it too. So let's try that. There you go, there's your light. So if you're working in smaller, darker areas, you can't really see exactly, or you need some extra light for some fine details. Really got this for, when you're working on small electronic items, or small hanging hardware, if you're putting up some wall decor, or even some jewelry, watches, things like that, where you don't want to lug around a big drill. So this is something that you can just keep in your drawer and work with it that way. But what's really cool is all the attachments are right here, and it's all magnetic. So you can kind of see some of the bits that it comes with. 50 bits. These are, like I said, these are all magnetic. Comes with a small pry bar, some tweezers for some extra attention that you need. Longer bits, smaller bits, just a variety of everything that you probably would need. So I already dropped one. See that? I don't know where it went, but I'll take a look at that in a second. No big deal. But let's see how it works. Okay, so there's a nice plane going ahead of us. What I'm gonna do is pull out my Phillips head here. Okay, and then of course your magnetic opening right here. Very cool. And just for demonstration purposes, just a small screw here with this screwdriver. There's your reverse, your forward, and then low, or slow speed, I guess. So it works. I don't think this is fully charged yet, but anyways, just wanted to show you how it works and demonstrate it. So all in all, I like this a lot. I think it's gonna come in super handy for small projects around the house where, like I said, you don't wanna lug around the drill for. And that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for more product reviews, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.